How do you determine which tire chains are compatible with your truck, trailer, or equipment? Well, on our website, we have a convenient tire chain finder that will help you determine quickly which tire chains are compatible with your needs. So in today's video, we're going to show you how to use it. Once on our website, click on the tire chains option below the search bar on the main menu. This brings you to the tire chain landing page. Scroll down just a bit until you see the tire chain finder banner. This is where you'll select the application that most closely applies to you. Light trucks, heavy trucks and trailers, heavy equipment, skid steers, and ATV and UTVs. We'll go ahead and click into light duty trucks. On the next page, you'll choose from the available section widths and tire diameters. Refer to your tire sidewalls to find your tire size. If your tire has metric dimensions, you'll choose the section width. And if your tires have flotation dimensions, you'll choose tire diameter. Hover over the info icons to refer to the example if you're not sure what dimension you have. Once you've selected the width or diameter, you'll be prompted to choose one or two more parts of your tire sidewall code. Click on those that match your tire's info. You'll then be shown a category page containing Pewag tire chains that are compatible with your vehicle's tires. To further filter the results, click on the tire feature icon you're looking for. For example, we'll click on the off-road icon. Scroll down and click on Filter to show compatible tire chains featuring this specific design. By using these custom features on our website, you'll be able to find exactly what you're looking for quickly and accurately. If you have any questions regarding Pewag tire chains, then feel free to drop us a comment below. And if you found today's video helpful, then don't forget to give it a like. I'm Tyler with E-Rigging. Thanks for watching.